Hello, good morning. This day we will present of topic intensifiers. My team made up of
My name is Jose.
My name is Diego Alonso Hernández Ramos.
and I. My name is Jorge Hernandez. Motocross is very exciting to the way it is done and how it is done, although some consider that the motocross is a little bit dangerous or that is kind of extreme. The fans consider that motocross is extremely or that is very interesting for their tricks and driver skill to achieve at this discipline and training are needed so that the driver of the motocross is a little bit careful when performing their tricks. The fans consider that the motocross is really cool and that the motorcycles of the motocross is extremely fast. But the motorcycle can be his kind of expensive. So many people do not practice this because they do not have enough resources or space and they can be a little noisy.
In the variety of sports that exhaust some that or their character is discussed, the motocross this sport is too daring since it consists of race in which the participants compete on other tracks with certain place of danger. For this motocross count also much improvement. To cross the tracks, the clues are long enough. The objective of this sport is arrive in first place, marking your way among the competitors. They drive too fast to get a first place. These sports attracts easily enough audience who like these sports have enough fame for their unmatched characters.
Among the best motorcycle is the KTM 255 XF. It is the better option you can have, very competitive in the market. If you do not have you much of a budget, there is the Honda CR250, which is the worst of the five due to its low disable power, but is a good option for its price. If that is not the case, a good option would be the Yamaha Y2125, which is more expensive than the Honda CR250, which is a perfect two-stroke machine for those who are just certain of in this sport, for its great maneuverability. And for the last option is the Honda CRF 450 motorcycle. It is faster than the KTM 150 5X, super powerful and highly